What's up, everybody? Welcome to Little Pig Barbecue. I appreciate you stopping by. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button below, give me a thumbs up, and leave me a comment and let me know what you think. So a few videos ago, I did some Texas style ribs out on the smoker, hit them with some salt and pepper and some good post oak smoke, and that's all they needed. They turned out phenomenal. So today I'm going to be taking those same Texas inspired flavors and applying it to a 7-pound turkey breast that I found in the freezer. Got it thawed out a few days ago and it's ready to go. So let's get this thing seasoned up. We're going to be doing this out on the Weber Summit charcoal grill today. Again, salt and pepper, post oak smoke, that's all we need. So follow along, let's get it. Okay, here it is. This is a 7.3, I think, 7.3 pound turkey breast. All we're going to be doing is getting some seasoning on this and it's ready to go. The first thing you want to do is get it out of the package and pat it dry. I've already done that, so just take a couple paper towels and go all the way around it and make sure it's as dry as you can get it. The good thing about these is there's no trimming really. Do have a little bit of extra skin here. I'm going to take that off and just go around and see if there's anything else that needs to be taken off. This right here is just going to burn, so we'll get that taken off as well. And we're flipping over this side, we have a little piece here. That looks about like all there is to take off. So we'll get this out of the way and get this thing seasoned up. Once you have this dried and you have it trimmed up as good as you want it, we're gonna get a binder on this. Now you can use several different binders. You could use olive oil, mustard. I like to use for turkey and chicken just some canola oil spray, and you don't have to go heavy. You're just wanting something for the rub to stick to, so just go over it, you know, once or twice, just like that. That's plenty. In my previous video I had made up some of this Texas style rub. It's mainly salt and pepper. We got a few other things in there like garlic and onion, so we're going to use that today to season this up. Now the first thing I like to do is get the inside, just hit it pretty light on the inside, just to get the flavors all throughout. Turn it over and season the outside. And that should be it. That's all the seasoning you need. You don't have to go very heavy with this. That's how simple this is. That's super easy to do. Everybody has salt and pepper in their kitchen. So we're gonna let this hang out in the refrigerator while we get the grill going. So let's get outside and get that fired up. Alright, we're out here at the Weber Summit charcoal grill. We got it fired up at about 275. Got the post oak smoke going. We're going to put the turkey breast on here just like that. It should stand up on its own. And today I'm going to be monitoring the temp with the ThermalWorks dot thermometer. So we're going to stick this in the thickest part of the breast here. And that should be it. We'll check back in about an hour on it. Alright, it's been about an hour, so we're going to open it up and see what it looks like. You can see it's starting to darken up a little bit. It's got some good color. You can really see the pepper flakes looking really good. So I'm going to let this go. Right now the turkey breast is sitting at about 110 degrees internal temperature. I'm going to let it go till it hits about 130, and then I'm going to get it pulled out and put in an aluminum pan full of butter. And that's going to make this thing really good. So we're going to close it back up and let it go for probably another 30 minutes. It's been about 30 minutes, so let's see what it looks like now. see that really nice color. It's nice golden brown. Pepper's starting to look really good. Got a good crust on it. The temperature's about 135, so I'm actually going to get this pulled off, and we're going to actually be easier just to move it to the side like this. I've got a pan with 2 sticks of butter chopped up into about tablespoon sizes. We're going to get the turkey moved over. I'm going to flip it upside down so it's the meat part is actually laying in the butter. So we're going to leave it just like that, and then we're going to get it wrapped in foil. Make sure it's good and tight. And what's going to happen is that butter is going to start to melt and kind of baste the meat. It's going to make it really nice and rich. So we're going to let this go until it's done. So next time you see me, we'll be in the house and we'll get it sliced up. Alright, here we are. This is what we have. Total cook time was about 3 hours. You can see we've got a good color on this. The black pepper looks really nice, got a nice bark on it. The butter really made this thing look amazing. It really darkened it up a lot. This is exactly what I wanted. Let's go ahead and tear into this. I'm gonna slice off a few pieces from one side and we'll give it a try. The easiest thing to do is take a good sharp knife. You want a longer knife, like a slicing knife of some kind. And you're gonna wanna go at an angle here. So what I like to do is just start up here at the top and start off with a really shallow cut. That's going to give you nice thin pieces. Now I like to do these pretty thin. That way, you know, you can make sandwiches with this, or you know, just pick it up and eat it. It goes really good with like mashed potatoes, maybe some green beans. So we're going to get this sliced up and we'll give it a try. So stick around just for a few more minutes. Let me get this cut. Alright, there we go. We got a big pile of turkey here. Skin looks really good. You can see the black pepper flakes throughout. So I'm going to try this out and see what it tastes like. I know it's going to be awesome. Get one of these pieces with some skin on it. Let's try that out. See what that looks like. Looks really good. You really taste the salt and the black pepper and the post oak. It's not too much smoke, it's just the right amount. This couldn't have turned out any better. I love doing simple recipes like this. And the best part about this is it's going to make some awesome sandwiches for lunch this week. Quick recap on what we did. We got a 7-pound turkey breast, got it seasoned up with salt and pepper, put it on the Weber Summit charcoal grill with some post oak smoke. We let it ride for about an hour and a half, got some good color on it, put it in an aluminum foil pan with 2 sticks of butter, then wrapped it in foil, and that butter made this, it basically made a butter bath in it. Super rich, kept some moisture in it. When it hit 165, pulled it off the smoker, got it in the house, and let it rest for about 30 minutes. I did some really thin slices. That's how I like to slice my turkey, and it turned out great. If you got a turkey breast lying around in your freezer and you don't know what to do with it, give this recipe a try, because I promise you'll like it. Again, I appreciate everybody stopping by. If you liked the video, again, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment. I'd love to hear what you have to say. We'll see you next time.